So this is the home screen of the app, and my problem statement is on demand legal and insurance service, where this is a feature where we can find everything and insurance. Here the documentation upload, which we upload in a blockchain decentralized storage system, and we go to the demo of due to time constraint, we I decided to show the hero of our app called Nyayamitra. So let's go to the feature. Hello, I am stressed about my situation. uh, Police are trying to arrest me and want to take my truck.
I'm here to help. Can you explain what happened with your vehicle?
I was pulled over by the police and they said I was violating some regulations.
I understand. It's important to know your rights in this situation. Did they give you any paperwork?
Yes, they handed me a ticket and mentioned something about my vehicle not meeting certain requirements, that I don't have any documents with me.
Gather any documents related to your vehicle in that ticket. It'll help us understand the issue better.
So I'm panicked. Can you speak in speak in Telugu?
Yes, I can speak in Telugu.
Uh, మీరు హెల్ప్ చేసినందుకు థ్యాంక్స్. కానీ ఇంకా ఏమైనా ఎక్స్ట్రాగా చెయ్యాలా? లైక్ పోలీస్ వాళ్ళు ఏమైనా వివరాలు అడిగితే?
పోలీసు ఆపిన వివరాలు, ఉదాహరణకు సమయం, స్థానం, మరియు మీకు జరిగిన సంభాషణను నోట్ చేయడం ఖచ్చితంగా చూడండి.
అర్థమైంది. వారికి మా నేను వారికి మాట్లాడిన వాడు ఎవరో ఉందా?